The East Khasi Hills Police has successfully thwarted a robbery attempt and arrested 4 individuals connected with the theft of TMT bars. East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongthangar informed that as per the FIR filed on August 9th by Bormi Mukim and Robert Shadap, their 12-wheeler truck loaded with TMT bar was parked at the Morenkaneng bypass when 4 unknown persons armed with a knife entered their truck around 8:50 p.m. the previous night before running away with the truck. However, following police investigation, it was discovered that the victims, Bormi Mukim and Robert Shadap, were in fact the masterminds behind the criminal activity. The stolen TMT bars, totaling approximately 18.5 tons and valued between rupees 9.5 and 10 lakhs, were recovered from Laitkerkhong and Jongsha villages. 2 other people arrested in this connection included Babyang Milem and Shopstarwell Jana.
1K6051 loaded with TMT bars was parked at Morenkaneng bypass. 4 unknown persons armed with knife and came to their vehicle and dragged them out. That it has happened about 8:50 p.m. Dragged them forcefully them inside one Alto vehicle which does not have any registration number. Both persons, along with another driver of a truck bearing registration ML05T3858, were detained the whole night and they were only released in the morning the next day, that is on the 9th August at Pynursla area.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council